Alright y'all, here's the blizzard of 2010. We done shoveled a little bit of the walkway. You see how high that is? That is crazy. That is high. Let me show you how high it is to my waist. Hold on. I look like the orange abominable snowman. Look at this. Waist high. Can you see it? See how the snow come? That's crazy. The blizzard of 2010. Let's go check in with my husband.
Hey, you guys, I'm over here.
You see him?
Like the snow. When you get tired, you just let it go.
He's silly. He is silly. But you gotta hand it to him. He done did. Look how far he has gone in the driveway. And the snow is still coming, so he's entitled to flop. Because he done made some headway. Look, they ain't even plowed the streets yet. Some of our neighbors, they're out trying to dig themselves out. Not many, though. Let's see what they're doing down there. Snow blower. Wow. I wish I had one right about now. Oh, well. We'll get back to y'all. Hopefully by the time we come back, we'll be finished. Put your videos out or how y'all dig out looks like. We'd love to see it. Talk to y'all later. Holla.